In today's video, I'll show you how incredibly simple it is to install and use the Simple Chat Button plugin, the easiest way to add a small, sleek WhatsApp button to your WordPress site.
So I'm inside my dashboard and I'm going to head down to plugins, add plugin. And from here, I'm just going to type Simple Chat Button. And as you can see, it displays on the screen and it says it has 40,000 active installations. The text says WhatsApp chat button, display the beautiful WhatsApp sticky button on the WordPress front end. But just before I install this plugin, I'm just going to refresh on my WP Chat Solutions page to ensure that this plugin is not installed. So as you can see, it's not appearing on the lower left or lower right corner because it is not yet installed. So we will see the change after installing this plugin. So this plugin claims to be very simple. So let's see if that is true. I'm just going to go ahead and hit install now. And it's installing. And I'm just going to activate it. So I have activated this plugin. And unlike other plugins, it does not set a link on the left side. So I actually went into settings and found it there, simple chat button. So I'm just going to open that. And it does look very simple. WhatsApp settings and button settings are the two tabs that it has. And the button settings have just a few options. So yeah, this looks pretty simple. So I'm on the WhatsApp settings tab. And it does have two options, WhatsApp number, which is obvious, and WhatsApp chat text. So the first option, WhatsApp number, says enter WhatsApp number with country code without any plus preceding 0 hyphen brackets space. So with other plugins, you will usually enter a plus sign and sometimes a 0, but this one says not to enter any plus sign or any preceding 0 hyphen brackets and space. So that is exactly what I'm going to do, starting out with my country code. And the second option says WhatsApp chat text, and it says it's optional. This is actually the message that the client or the user will see whenever they open up the button. So what I'm going to do is just type hello, please help, or hello, I need help. So that's what I'm just going to type here. Hello, I need help. And I'm going to save the changes. Next thing I'm going to do is come over to the button settings. And from here, I have several options. Button status is enabled. So obviously I want to have this icon appearing on the window. So I'm going to leave it enabled. Button text is optional and it says need help. It says leave this field empty to only show an icon. So that is a little text that will usually appear beside the WhatsApp button. And I feel that need help is pretty good. So I'm just going to leave it as is. Next option is desktop link type, and it has WhatsApp API, WhatsApp web, and desktop app. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to leave it in WhatsApp API, but I guess if you wanted it to open in WhatsApp web, you will select the second option, but I'm just going to leave it with WhatsApp API. Next option is open link in new tab or current tab. I'm just going to leave it new tab. Position, bottom right, bottom left. I'm just going to leave bottom right. Z index. I'm just going to leave this option, and these other margin options, I'm just going to leave everything as is. So what I'm going to do is save changes. And there are certain plugins that you have to clear cache after you have saved changes so that the changes will take effect immediately. So one of the easiest ways to clear cache is just coming over to your post and just select anyone and select or enter quick edit and just enter a space and hit update. And that should have cleared the cache, enabling the changes to take effect immediately.
So now I'm on my mobile device and I'm currently on the WordPress.org page.
but I'm just going to open up my WP Chat Solutions site, and I am expecting to see the icon on the lower right corner. So it's loading the page now. And there you go. As you can see, there is a WhatsApp button on the lower right corner that says need help. And when I actually touch this icon, it should take me directly to WhatsApp. And as you can see, it says, hello, I need help. And if I hit the send button, the message will have been sent. So the message has now been sent.
So, as you can see, that is how simple and easy it is to install and use the Simple Chat Button plugin on your WordPress website. But now, stay with me to watch more videos about WordPress chat solutions.